C, B, A, C, डिफरेंट तीन आंसर तो आ चुके हैं। कुछ लोग कह रहे हैं 5, 12, 8, डिफरेंट डिफरेंट आंसर्स। एक और बचता है 1, नो 1 भी आ गया। चार ऑप्शन आ गए भाई, 2-3 ऑप्शन होते वो भी बता देते तुम लोग। तो 13 है ना, तो 5 square is 25 and 25 gives you -1 form with respect to 30. So we can write this thing is 5 power 242, 5 को 5 square करना है, तो this write it as 5 power 242 into 5 power 1 divide by 30. अब 2 कॉमन ले लो इधर से, 5 square 121 into 5 divide by 30. What is 5 square guys? 25. Rest to the power 121 into 5 by 30. Yes or no? Tell me. Is this point clear to all? Is there any doubt to anyone? 25 by 13. What is the remainder? 25 by 13. Remainder is -1. और -1 की power odd number gives you -1. -5 by 13. So guys, remainder can't be negative now. In that case, you have to add divisor here. Divisor add करना पड़ेगा 30. -5 plus 13, what you will get? 8 is the answer of this question. Option C is correct.